Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
You start by confirming the physical chain, cables, jacks, and USB power matter. Plug a known good headset to isolate hardware. Next, open sound settings and set the correct output as default because Windows may route audio elsewhere. Once done, glance at Device Manager to see driver flags or unknown devices. That tells you whether to update or roll back. Make sure to note Device ID. They speed troubleshooting if you need manufacturer drivers later. You should update the audio driver, use the PC maker or sound card vendor. Generic installs sometimes break features. If sound is distorted, roll back to the previous driver version and test. Once drivers are stable, disable audio enhancements. They can introduce latency or clipping. Then check the sample rate and bit depth in advanced device properties, match media or streaming source, for example 48K HC. Finally, verify app-specific output routing and turn off exclusive mode if an app is hijacking the device. You finish by testing a known good audio file and making a short recording so you can hear both playback and capture quality. If problems persist, reset sound settings, reinstall drivers cleanly, and run the Windows troubleshooter. These steps often clear corrupt configs. Make sure to reboot between major changes. If still unresolved, try another USB port, an external DAC, or boot a live Linux USB. This isolates hardware versus OS problem.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.